In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful collage on Pinterest quickly and efficiently. Whether you're an experienced user or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the knowledge you need to create something truly amazing. To get started, first, open your web browser and head over to Pinterest. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but that's a relatively simple process that just involves entering some basic information. Once you're logged in, the home page is your starting point, and it's here that you'll be able to navigate to the next steps. On the top right corner of the page, you'll notice a plus icon. This is your gateway to creating new content on Pinterest. Hover over it, and a few options will appear. For today, we're focusing on collages, so go ahead and click on the Collage option. This will direct you to the Collage creation interface, where the magic happens. Now that you find yourself on the collage creation page, this is your creative canvas. You'll see that Pinterest provides a range of templates and layout options. Don't worry if you're not sure which one to pick just yet. You can always change your layout as you go along. Spend a moment browsing these options and choose the one that best fits your vision. Once you've chosen your layout, it's time to add your images. Click on the sections of the collage where you'd like to place your images. This will open up your Pinterest boards and allow you to select from your saved images, or you can upload new images directly from your computer. If you're looking to add some thematic flair, consider searching Pinterest for additional images that match your theme perfectly. You can arrange and rearrange images to see what works best until you're satisfied with your collage's look. A crucial aspect of creating engaging collages is the visual storytelling. Think about the colors, patterns, and themes that make your collage cohesive. You might want to adjust the size of images or even overlay some text to give context or evoke certain feelings. When you're happy with your creation, take a moment to review it. Rearrange elements if needed to ensure everything feels just right. Once you're satisfied with your collage, hit the Done button to finalize everything. Pinterest will save your project, making it accessible for others to view and for you to share with friends or on other social media platforms. And that's it. Creating a collage on Pinterest is that simple, but it opens up a world of creative possibilities. Play around with different styles, experiment with various images, and have fun as you get better at crafting these visual stories. Thanks for watching and happy creating.